Hello students, welcome you all in English classes of RDS Group of School. Class, today we will read the story of Chivi. What is Chivi? Ask yourself as well your partner. Do you like to be always the thing that is very irritated that our elders, our parents always tell us to do that this thing to that thing, which sometimes irritates us. Grown up means elder person. Grown up means grown up means elder person. Elder. Now do grown-ups do this in your experience? It is the same experience that every child experiences, that our elders, our parents always tell us to do this, to always guide us to do something, which also irritates us sometimes. When Michael was 5 years old, his mother took him to a nearby school for admission. The teacher asked, "What does your mother call you?" So when Michael was so the here the poet is experience, he's sharing his experience. Here the poet is experience, sharing his experience. So Michael is the poet of this poem. Michael is the poet of this poem. So what he's saying, that when his mother took him when he was 5 years old to take him a nearby school, the teacher asked him a question, that what does your mother call you at your home? That what your mother call you at your home, child? Michael said that my mother called him don't. That his mother called him don't. The confident reply came as soon as his teacher asked him what does his mother called him at home. He said that my mother called me Michael don't. She always tell me, Michael don't do this, Michael don't do this. That's why the poet is saying that my mother calls me Michael don't. So to chivi is to nag. Chivi is a kind of nag. Nag means to force to do something. To force to nag means to force to someone to do something, to constantly urge someone to do something. So a chivi or nag is to request or to force someone to do something in a very irritating way, according to the dictionary. So let's read the poem. So the poem is about the instruction which are always given by our elders to the children. They always tell us that do this, don't do this, don't do this. So the right poet is sharing his personal experience. So let's start. Grown up. Grown up means elders. Our elders. Grown up says things. So as you all know that our grown ups, our elders always say something, that speak up. So always our parents, our elders say that speak properly, speak something. They always ask, don't talk with your, and always our parents tell us that if you are eating, don't talk with your mouth full. If you are eating, having your food, don't talk. If you are having your food, don't stare. And always tell us that don't look there, don't look here, don't look there. Stare means to look, continue. Stare means to look, continue. Don't point. And our parents all also tell us that we should not point towards anything. If we are going somewhere, we should not point the thing. Don't pick your nose. And also our parents tell us that don't pick your don't take finger in your nose. These are some kind of instruction which are always given by our elders. So the poet is saying this experience, that our parents said that don't do this like that. These are the common things which every child experiences in his life. And there are some more instruction, like sit up properly, say please. And whenever you are requesting someone, use please and sit properly, less noise. And our elders always say that don't make noise, shut the door behind you. When you are coming or leaving from house, you should shut the door. Don't when you are walking, please don't drag the feet. haven't you got a hanky, and you should use hanky. These are the instructions that are given by our elders. Take your hand out of your pocket. We should not keep our hands in the pockets when are walking. We should keep out our hands from our pocket. So these are some more instructions which are given by our elders always. Then some more instructions are there. Pull your socks, and our parents or elders all are also tell us that we should pull our socks and keep them safely. Stand up straight, and also our parents always tell us that we should stand straight. We should not stand improperly. And if someone gives us something, if someone gives us something, so we should say thank you. Don't interrupt. If other people are talking, we should not interrupt them. We should not speak between two people if they are talking or discussing something. No one thinks you are funny. Take your elbows off the table. And if the children do the things like which are denied by the parents, and if they do, the children always say that you are doing a bad thing, so nobody is taking is funny, nobody is having fun with your nonsense. So always whenever we do anything which are denied by our parents, they always say that nobody is liking your this action, nobody is liking your that action. Take your elbows off the table. And when we eat or sit on the at the table, our parents all also tell us that we should keep our elbows off the table. Can't you make your own mind up about anything? And after telling so many things,